How to make a Homer Simpsons. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to talk about one of the funniest, most lovable characters of all time. Yes, you guessed it right. Homer Simpson. This adorable blonde bombshell has been at the heart of the Simpsons series, and today, get ready to meet him in 3D CubeCraft form. Homer started as an ordinary American dad figure living in the city of Springfield. However, over time, he captured the hearts of millions worldwide and became a cult phenomenon. One of his main features is the constant exclamation of the word dough, and of course his love for donuts as an extraordinary way to relax in the face of life's chaos. But Homer is not only known for these traits, he is also recognized for his relationship with his children, Bart, Lisa, and Maggie, his humorous antics at work, and his unforgettable group of friends. And today, we'll experience this fantastic character like never before, in 3D CubeCraft form. Yes, you heard it right. We can't wait to take a closer look at Homer's dimensions and decorate him with your favorite colors. This CubeCraft project represents a fun art form that allows Simpsons fans to create their favorite characters with their own hands and interact with them. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the depths of Homer's character, explore his fun sides, and relive unforgettable moments. We'll also show you step-by-step how to create our CubeCraft project, giving you the opportunity to showcase Homer's funny face in every corner of your home. If you're a fan of The Simpsons, this video is perfect for you. Welcome to Homer's world. From dough to donuts, everything is waiting for you in this video. Let's start right away and embark on the 3D CubeCraft adventure of Homer Simpson.